Hello friends, now I'm going to show you how to make a bush of tea leaf. Now I'm going to pluck the tea leaves, and this is a DS cutting, and now you have to make a 3 inches of the scale, and you have to measurement in 3 inches, and you have to measure from the middle of the bush, and which is over height of this scale. Now you have to plug which is over height. Now I am going to show you how to plug. Now this is first plucking, and you have to measurement from the top of the cutting, which is make a loop, and now this is 3 inches of the scale. Now you have to plug it now here, and this is now you have to make this size of table everywhere and plug the all of the leaf from here. Now this is all of the now okay guys, this is first plucking of the bush, and this is a make a table. Now it will be plucked 3-4 times to be a good table. Now okay, thank you friends for watching.